This is Blake Miller with Stringjoy Strings. Today we're going to be talking about creating motifs within your solo work. Today I'm going to be taking a song that I did with Stephen Dunn off an album called Indianola. The song is called Picture Imperfect. And we're going to work on creating just, even if it's a 3-note phrase, creating good ideas and singable ideas that are maybe catchy and people will remember throughout the solo. It's not always about speed, sometimes it's about note choice. So the chord progression is E with the 7th, G, G, and then C. I'm going to try to create a loop here and show you kind of what this maybe looks like and sounds like. Again, you can always vary it up yourself, but these are just jumping off points for you to kind of create, maybe inspire, hopefully, some different things in your lead. So here we go. Just kind of taking part of the pentatonic scale in the key of E, so it's E, G, A, B, and D. What I'm focusing on is actually the root note E, playing the G and the A, and just creating maybe different ideas and phrasings and voicings of that chord, so over that chord progression rather. So when we play, right, 3 notes, using the bend and vibrato to maybe make that stand out a little bit more. So, doing that all across the neck too, so in different spots, so between the open and the 5th fret. And just basically where you play it is based on the dynamic of the song, the feel of the song, maybe what the band's doing, and just the idea is those are singable things, right? Things that you can hear. That's a classic blues riff, right? The other is just going between the D and the E, in between runs and phrases, right? Because it's not always about going fast, but when you do, right, this. D to E is a very common thing within that pentatonic scale. So just come up with different ways, maybe slow it down a bit and play over a chord progression you're familiar with. In this case, for me, it was that song. And try to, again, just simplify using different technique, vibrato, right? Bending. And hammer-ons, right? Pull off and hammer-on is a great way to make it sound like you're playing more than you are, you know?